Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie. If you're new here, welcome. It's 10:22 p.m. Mind you, I've been home all day. I don't know why I always wait so late to film. I'm such a night owl. Like, I work better at night. I don't know what it is. Anyways, today I am here with a Valentine's Day inspired look. This is definitely like just a fun, girly, pink glitter rhinestone type of look. Like, this is just something like to totally have fun in. It's also cut crease friendly. Now I know I did add rhinestones, that's just extra. You don't have to do that. I'm in like a little rhinestone era right now. I don't know why, but I'm like loving adding rhinestones to my makeup looks. Yes, I realize that's not your everyday conventional makeup look or way to walk around with rhinestones on your face. Very aware of that. However, I can't get over me and these rhinestones. So you don't have to add those, but for the rest of the look, it's really simple. 3 colors, same palette. Tried to keep it as simple as I could because it really bothered me that in my last makeup tutorial, like, I was like, I didn't know how to cut my crease, but it's like, no, I need to learn how to do other things outside of cutting my crease. Today's video, we are using the Profusion Cosmetics. Yeah, Profusion Cosmetics. This is their Mean Girl palette. This palette came out a while ago. I'm not even sure if they still sell this palette, but it's super cute. Don't mind mine because it's super dirty as well. But this is what the palette looks like on the inside. And yeah, it's 3 simple colors. So let's get into the look. I did go ahead and prime my eyelids with concealer. The concealer I use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I did do that beforehand. But as far as like cutting my crease, I didn't do any of that. I don't have a Valentine. You see, I haven't had a Valentine in years. Like, I used to be so sad. I used to try to like kind of buy myself stuff to like make up for the fact. But now, I guess because I've gotten older, of course, like I work full time. So honestly, Valentine's Day is just another day for me. I have to go to work. It's not like I'm off. But hopefully next year, I'll be singing a different tune. So we're gonna take the shade Burn Book first, and we're gonna put that in the crease of our eye. And I'm using a dual brush, which is actually from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I took this brush from another eyeshadow palette because all my other blending brushes are dirty. Just gonna start off at the crease, and we're gonna do the windshield wiper motions. And I'm just tapping off any excess on the back of my mirror. I thought this was more of a red because I was trying to do like red, pink, and then this light pink, but it's okay. So I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. So for my inner crease of my eye, like closer to like this part basically, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm gonna take that same shade, and I'm just gonna go in because I don't know if you can really tell. I can tell, but it's a little like streaky and patchy right in here. So that brush didn't really get in the nook and cranny of my eye socket like I needed it to. That's the word I was looking for. Eye socket. I think that's the word I was looking for. Okay. So yeah, so we're just gonna go in with this eye crease brush. I'm so excited because I genuinely did not cut my crease with this look. Like, oh my gosh. I feel like everything on my channel has been cut crease, cut crease, cut crease, cut crease. And finally, I have a non-cut crease look for y'all. I'm so proud of me. So I'm gonna take this brighter pink, like this pop pink color basically, called Pink Shirt, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. And honestly, I'm really not gonna blend this out too crazy. Like the pink and the glitter and everything, it was washing away this hot pink shade. So I kept having to go back and add more color. And it was just like kind of washing it away and making it look, I don't know, like blended in with the first color. When I'm using this shade, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not like tapping off the excess because I want all the pigment that this color is going to give me. And I'm working this color about a little more than halfway, so like 3/4 of my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush. This is actually the brush from the Mean Girls collection. I'm gonna take just the side of this blending brush and I'm gonna blend it in like that, because you'll see what I'm talking about when I say the hot pink color kind of disappears. At least to me it does. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like that kind of makes it disappear. But then I feel like it also made it kind of pretty. Well, it's too late for that out now. So just that, I mean, like, it takes away of like the bright pinkness. So now I feel obligated to go back in, at least like just right up in here. I'm gonna take the shade Awesome Time, and it's this like glittery shade. I did use a brush on this on my right eye, but part of me also wants to try to use my finger. I know sometimes they say fingers like make the best brushes for eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna take my middle finger. This is the texture on my finger. That's how much I'm picking up on this brush. So, and on my finger it's coming out way more like smoother and just like creamier looking. So let me try. Dang, I should have used my freaking finger like my mind was telling me to. I swear, something was telling me when I was doing that eye look. Something was like, use your finger, use your finger, use your finger. And dang it, I should have used my freaking finger. And I was able to get the inner corner some more too. Oh, it's okay though. It's okay. We'll be fine. I'm gonna go in with my rhinestone. I got these off of Amazon. They actually came in like all the colorful colors, and then came in like silver and like iridescent colors as well. I'll link these down below in case y'all are interested, but I would definitely recommend these. I really like them. I'm actually gonna go in from here and downward, and then kind of going outward like that. See the colors on the numbers, but 10 and 3, so both of the pinks. Oh, these are different. They're coming out different already. Okay, I don't know where that one. Whatever, we're just gonna roll with it. I'm not actually wearing this out anywhere anyway, but if you are wearing this out, oh my gosh, they're gonna be so different, but it's okay. I don't know if you can tell the color scheme I'm trying to follow, like light pink, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. They're so close together. I feel like maybe, so this eye came out cuter, obviously. It never fails. I always have one eye that's cuter than the other one. It's fine. It's my life story at this point. I think I'm gonna go in and fill in on my right eye. Wait. Oh man, I didn't think. Okay, so yeah, now I am definitely gonna have to add a dark pink. Oh, it still ended up being the same amount. Okay. I'm just gonna finish off with these Ardell double 113 lashes. So I just finished my eyelashes off camera. I was having too much trouble with them on camera, so I had to go off camera to do them. Next, I'm gonna take my Milk Hydrogrip primer. I still love this primer. I know everybody uses like e.l.f. as a dupe or whatever, but I still rock with this one. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation and concealer. Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Maple. And then I'm gonna go in underneath my eyes with the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. And then I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer on the rest of my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance. This is the, I should know these names because I keep having to like stop and look. Okay, this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the powder, not the cream. It's too dark. I'm gonna have to blend this out so good. And I did like dab off the excess. Okay, I can't go back in that palette no more. Not for my nose contour, I can't. Go in the Sculpt shade and actually like kind of sculpt out my face. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Bronze Contour Palette, bottom shade, which is a little bit darker. I'm gonna set everything with my Laura Mercier powder and translucent honey. You know how you try to use a new brush to do something and it just don't hit the same? Y'all already know NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop face powder. Same face powder I've been using for I don't know how long. probably need to throw this away and buy a new one. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is in the shade Time to Shine. Too Faced Cloud Crush Blush. This is in the shade Watermelon Rain. I still like to apply brush on the apples of my cheeks. I know everybody applies it like for a more lipstick look, but I just feel like I already have all this pink going on up here, and I feel like the center of my face needs something. All right, and that's just right here. Literally, that's it. And then I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna take Juvia's Place lip liner. This is in the shade Brownie. I already messed up. Use my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Ice. I kind of don't even have to fix it because it came out how I wanted it to. I'm gonna go in at the bottom right here and just kind of fix up the bottom. Perfect. This is really cute. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is how my makeup turns out. Super cute, super girly, pink, Valentine's Day coated themed. This is how it came out. So cute. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or just subscribe and like, share, do whatever you have to do to this video. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.